Hadi Choopan, also known as the Persian Wolf, is an Iranian professional bodybuilder who have made a significant impact in the sport. Born in 1987 in Sebidan country, First Province, Choopan faced financial struggles from an early age, working as a peddler and construction laborer to support his family. Despite the challenges, he developed a passion for bodybuilding and began training seriously in 2005. Choopan's career took a major leap forward in 2013 when he started training with coach Ali Nemati. He won the WBPF Asia Championships that year and continued his success at the WBPF World Bodybuilding Championships in 2013, 2014 and 2015. In 2017, he began working with renowned coach Hani Rambod and secured a gold medal at the IFBB Diamond Cup in Dubai, earning his pro card. Choopan's rise to the top of the bodybuilding world has not without its challenges. He faced poverty, pain and suffering, but his determination and dedication to the sport never wavered. His hard work and perseverance paid off when he won the prestigious Mr. Olympia title in 2022, becoming the first Iranian and only the second Asian to achieve this feat. Choopan's victory at the 2022 Mr. Olympia was the testament to his incredible physique and conditioning. Known for his impressive legs and overall symmetry, he has become a fan favorite in the bodybuilding community. In a recent Instagram post, Choopan shared a glimpse of his massive ripped physique, revealing that the reality of his gains is even bigger than it was seen on stage.